Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for taking the time to participate in this study. In this video, I will be giving instructions on how to complete the experiment. So soon after, you'll be redirected to a screen that looks identical to this one. You will click with the mouse anywhere on the screen to begin. So this is an experiment investigating attention. You will be shown an arrow in the center of the screen on each trial. This arrow will be surrounded by other arrows, 2 on each side. Your task is to respond to the direction of the central arrow. Here you press the spacebar for more instructions. On some trials, the flanking arrows will be congruent with the response that is needed. That meaning all arrows are pointing in the same direction. On other trials, the flanking arrows will be incongruent with the response required. That meaning that the arrows will point in different directions. In all cases, you need to respond to the center arrow and ignore the flanking arrows. Please make sure your response is made as quickly as possible and as accurately as possible. So there will be a cross that looks identical to the one displayed here in the center of the screen, and the arrows will appear in this location, but the time between trials will randomly change. You should try to fixate on the cross throughout the experiment. On some trials, you will see an asterisk above and below the center fixation, indicating when the next trial will be shown. If this asterisk appears, you can be certain that the arrows will appear half a second later. You will start with several practice trials. Please put your fingers over the Q and P keys. When you press the spacebar, the practice will begin. So whenever you see a center arrow that's pointing left, please press the Q key. Whenever you see a center arrow pointing right, please press the P key. After you press the spacebar, you'll begin the practice trials. So here the center arrow is pointing right, so you press the P key. Right again, so you press P. Left, so that would be Q. Left, so that would be Q again. So we have now finished the 8 practice trials. After each block of trials, you'll be given an average response time as well as your accuracy. We will have 8 groupings of 40 trials. After you have completed the trials, you'll be automatically redirected to another page where you will answer a couple brief questions. Thank you so much for your participation and enjoy the rest of your day.